If you wish to use a memory card or microSD card with Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then unfortunately you will need to have additional tool that allows you to insert the microSD card into that tool, into that device or whatever, and then connect the device to the phone, because unfortunately the SIM tray does not have the space, the slot for microSD. In fact, it is just the same size as the microSD card, the SIM tray. So there is no way to use microSD like that. Therefore, we need some sort of hub or adapter that has USB-C and that we can use for memory cards, so that we can insert the memory card into that hub or adapter, and then by using USB-C connect that other device or that adapter or hub into the phone. And that is the only way to use a memory card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.